Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Volvo V50 headlights. Begin by parking on level ground with the car facing a blank wall about 10 feet away and ensure the steering wheel is centered. Remove any heavy cargo to set the vehicle ride height and measure the headlamp center from the ground to use as your reference point. Replace or tighten any loose headlamp hardware before making adjustments to avoid repeated checks. Locate the adjustment screws by opening the hood and standing in front of the car with the headlights off so you can clearly see the housings. The Volvo V50 typically has one screw for vertical aim and one for horizontal aim. They may be covered by a small rubber cap. Remove any caps and gently test each screw to confirm which axis it moves. Keep a light touch to avoid stripping the screw heads while you prepare to fine-tune the beam. In this video, I will show how to adjust Volvo V50 headlights. Quick recommendation: if you're working under the hood for a while, stay hydrated and consider the Owala water bottle for easy sipping and a leak-proof design that fits cup holders. It's handy for roadside checks, garage work, or long drives when you need water close by. If you want it, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlamp and transfer those heights onto the wall with tape, while the car is 10 feet away for consistent aiming. Turn on low beams and adjust the vertical screw until the top cutoff of the beam matches your taped height, then adjust horizontally so the main hot spot is slightly to the right of the vehicle center line to avoid dazzling oncoming traffic. Recheck both lamps and tighten any adjustment screws for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.